Good morning, students. Today we are going to solve the questions from exercise 9.2, algebraic expressions and identities. Students, first question is find the product of the following monomials. There are monomials and you have to find out the product of these. So first part of this 4 and 7x, there are two monomials, so you have to find the product of these 4 into 7x, that is 4 7 ja 4 into 7 into x, that is 4 7 ja 28x. This is the product of these monomials. Okay, students, and in this 4 minus 4p and 7p minus 4p into 7p. Students, first of all you have to multiply numbers with numbers and variables with variable, and constant term, that is 4 and 7, these are the numbers. So minus 4 into 7 into p into p. 7 4 ja 28, therefore minus 28 and p into p, that is p to the power 2. Answer is minus 28p square. And third part, that is minus 4p into 7p cube. Separate this numbers, one side, that is minus 4 into 7 into p into q, and that is 7 4 ja 28 minus 28, this one p square, p into p, and this q. So this is the answer. And this part 4p cube minus 3p, so 4p cube into minus 3p. Student, these are two terms. Okay, this 4p cube, this one minus 3p. Okay, so you have to find the product of these. So 4 into minus 3 into p cube into p. Clear, student? This one minus 3 and p, this one p cube. So 4 3 ja 12, this one minus 12 and p cube into p, that is p to the power 4. This one is answer. Now we will solve question number 2nd. And this is question number 2nd, and in this question you have to find out the area. These are the sides of a rectangle. This pair, first pair, that is p and q. Okay, student, let p is equal to length and q is equal to width. Okay, area of rectangle is equal to L into B. Clear, student? First, इसमें first side P and second side Q. तो first side को हमने length ले लिया और second side को width ले लिया Q को. Clear, student? So area of rectangle is equal to length into width. किसी भी rectangle की हम area find out करते हैं तो length into width कर देते हैं. तो इसमें जो pairs दिए गए हैं, जो sides दी गई हैं, एक को हमने लेंथ ले लिया और सेकंड साइड को हमने विड्थ ले लिया और दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे तो एरिया निकल जाएगी, दैट इज P इंटू क्यू इज इक्वल टू पी क्यू. क्लियर स्टूडेंट? दिस इज द एरिया एंड इन दिस L is 10 mm, L is equal to 10 mm and B is equal to 5 n then area is equal to L into B, because it is a rectangle. These are the sides of rectangle. So area of rectangle, that will be L into B, that will be 10m into 5n. So first 10 into 5 into m into n. 10 5 ja 50 mn. This is the answer. 50 mn. This is the area of this rectangle. And now in this you have to multiply these monomials. Okay students. So take L is equal to 20 and B is equal to 5y square, 20x square. So area is equal to L into B. Suppose this one L and this one B. That is 20x square into 5y square. So first group the numbers, that is 20 into 5 into variable one side x square into y square. Okay, so 25 is 100 x square y square. This is the answer. This is the area of this rectangle. And fourth part, that is 4x and 3x square. Take this one length and this one width. So area L into B, because it is a rectangle, therefore area is length into width. So that is 4x into 3x square. So take the numbers. First 4 into 3 into x square. Okay, 4 3 are 12 and x into x square, that is x to the power 3. This is the area of this rectangle. And in this question you have to find out the volume of rectangular boxes. Rectangular boxes, it means that is in shape of rectangle, that is cuboid. Okay students, so let this one length, this one width and this one height, it is given. Okay, so length, width and height is given. So volume of cuboid. Cuboid means rectangular boxes, just like geometry box. स्टूडेंट्स, जैसे आपका ज्योमेट्री बॉक्स है उस तरह के शेप को हम क्यूबॉइड बोलते हैं, जो रेक्टेंगल के शेप में होता है। लेंथ और विड्थ उसकी अलग अलग होती हैं और उसमें फिर हाइट भी होती है। तो उसमें उसके अंदर जो स्पेस होता है उसी स्पेस को, जैसे उसमें कितनी एयर होगी या कितना वाटर उसमें आएगा, दैट इज़ कॉल्ड वॉल्यूम। क्लियर स्टूडेंट्स? सो यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट द वॉल्यूम ऑफ दिस rectangular boxes whose length, width and heights are given here. So volume of cuboid is equal to L into B into H. It means length into width into height. That is, length is 5a into 3a square into 7a to the power 4. That is 5 into 3 into 7. स्टूडेंट, फर्स्ट हम नंबर्स को एक साथ मल्टीप्लाई कर लेते हैं, फिर वेरिएबल्स को एक तरफ रख देते हैं। a इंटू ए टू द पावर 2 इंटू ए टू द पावर 4, दैट इज़ 5 3 जा 15, 7 जा 105। क्लियर स्टूडेंट? 5 3 जा 15, 7 जा 105, a इंटू ए स्क्वायर इंटू ए टू द पावर 4, 4 to 6 17, a to the power 7. Clear student? We have to, if there is a multiplication between variables, same variable, then we have to add the exponent. जो उसके पावर्स होते हैं, एक्सपोनेंट्स होते हैं, उसको हम ऐड कर देते हैं। दिस वन जस्ट लाइक दिस, a to the power 1, it means power 1 plus this power 2 plus this power 4. Okay, a to the, because base is equal, a into a. Okay, then we have to add the exponent, we have to add the powers को हमको ऐड कर देना होता है इसमें स्टूडेंट. दिस वन 1 2 1 3 3 4 7, so a to the power 7 here. Clear student? So now second part of this question, volume is equal to L into B into H. This one L, B and H. Clear student? So this one 2P into 4Q into 8R. So first take the numbers 2 into 4 into 8 into P into Q into R. So 4 2 ja 8, 8 ja 64, P Q R. This is the volume of this rectangular box. And third part of this question, volume, first take this one length, width and height. Okay, so volume will be L into B into H, length into width into height, that is xy into 2x square y into 2xy square. That will be, first take x one side. Okay, x into, sorry, first take the numbers one side students, 2 and 2, this one 2 into 2 into x square into x into y and y square. Now 2 2 ja 4, x to the power 1, 2 and power 1, that is x to the power 4. Clear students? And y to the power 2, 3 and 4, y to the power 4. This is the volume of this rectangular box, and in this volume is equal to L into B into H. स्टूडेंट्स किसी को भी लेंथ, विड्थ और हाइट इसमें ले सकते हैं. एक को आप लेंथ या विड्थ भी ले सकते हैं इस तरह से. देन लेंथ इज a into 2b into 3c, that is first take the numbers 2 into 3, then variables a into b into c, 2 3 ja 6 a b c. This is the volume. Clear students? And in this question you have to obtain the product of the following monomials. Okay students, so x, y, y, z and z x. First one, so multiply first x, y into y, z into z x. Okay students, now x into y into z into x. So separate the like terms each other. Okay, like terms को एक साथ separate कर लेंगे. x into x, this one 2 times, y into y and z into z. This one x square and this one y square and this z square. The product of these are x square, y square, z square. And now second part of this, a into minus a to the power 2 into a to the power 3. Students, a into minus a. Okay. So this one minus a here, minus a square. So this one will be minus a to the power 2, here power 2 and power 1, that is power 3 into a to the power 3. It means minus a to the power 6. Base are equal and powers will be added. स्टूडेंट्स, इस क्वेश्चन को ऐसे भी हम कर सकते हैं, a इंटू माइनस 1 इंटू a to the power 2 into a to the power 3. Base a to the power 1 plus 2 plus 3, and this one minus 1 into this. So minus 1 into a, minus a to the power 3, 2 1 3 and 3 6. Clear, students? So this one a to the power minus a to the power 6 here, and in this question 2 into 4y into 8y square. Now first write the numbers, 2 into 4 into 8 into y square. 2 4 ja 8, 8 ja 64, y into y square, that is y to the power 3, means 64y cube. Now in this, a into 2b into 3c into 6abc. Students, first write the numbers, 2 into 3 into 6 into a into b into c into a b c. This one, student, 2 3 ja 6, 6 ja 36. A into a, that is a square. B into b, that is b square, and c into c, c square, that is 36 a square b square c square. This is question number 3, and in this question you have to complete this table. First monomial is given in this row and second monomials are given in this column. Okay, students? Now first of all, if you multiply 2x with 2x, that is 4x square, you have to write in this column. Okay, students? Now complete this first row. Okay, so 2x multiplied by minus 5y. Student, 2x into minus 5, 2 into minus 5 into x into y. Clear, student? So 2 5 ja 10, this one will be minus 10 xy. So in this row you will write this one, 2x into minus 5y is equal to minus 10 xy. Okay, students? So you have to complete like this. Next, 2x into 3x square, 2x into 3x square, it means 2 into 3 into x square. Okay, students? So this one, 2 3 ja 6, x to the power 3, it means 6x cube. You will write here 6x cube. Clear, student? And in this 2x into minus 4xy, 2 4 ja 8, 2 4 ja 8, this one minus 8, and x into x square and y. Clear, student? in this 2x into 7x square y, 2 7 ja 14, and x into x square, that is x cube y, 2x into minus 9 x square y square, minus 9 2 ja minus 18, and this one x and x square, that will be x cube and y square. Okay, student? So complete the second one, second row. Okay, students? Now in this you have to multiply minus 5y with 2x first in this column. Okay? So 2 5 ja 10, minus 10 x y or yx, x y. Clear, student? Now minus 5y with minus 5y, minus 5 into minus 5, 5 5 ja 25, minus minus makes plus, so this will be plus 25 y into y square. Okay, students? And here it is given 3 5 ja 15, that is minus 15 because 5 is negative, so minus 15 x square y, it is given. Okay, students? Now you have to multiply this minus 5y with minus 4 xy, minus into minus, it will make plus, 4 5 ja 20. Okay, students? And this one x and y into y square, x y square, minus 5 into 7, that is minus 35. Okay, student? This one y square and x square, this one x square y square, and minus 5 into minus 9, minus minus make plus. Okay, minus into minus, that will be plus, 9 5 ja 45. Okay, student? Because both are the negative, so it will make positive after multiplying. This one y into y cube and x square, this one x square y cube. Clear, student? Now these three parts, 3 rows or 4 rows, you have to complete yourself. Students, this one minus 9 x square y square, and if we are going to write here, then minus 9 x square y square, minus 9 into minus 9, that will be plus 81, 9 9 ja 81, that will be plus 81, x square into x square, that is x to the power 4, y square into y square, that is y to the power 4 here. Okay, students? Let in this column 3x square into minus 4xy, 3 4 ja 12, so one is negative and other is positive, 3 4 ja 12, this one minus 4, so it will be minus 12. Okay, and x square into x, that is x cube and y. Okay, student? And in this column, if you are going to write this minus 5 into 7 x square y, so minus 5 into 7 minus 35. Okay, students? x square and y here and y here, that is y square. Okay, students? Now you have to complete this table. It is homework for you, and exercise 9.2 is finished here. And in the next video, we will solve the questions from exercise 9.3. Thanks, students.